I'm very picky about my chiropractors. I've seen a moderate amount of chiropractors, and when I came to Dr. Warwick, I noticed something different right away. He's very attentive to the symptomatic presentation of what I have, but he understands how it relates throughout the rest of my body. And as he's setting my joints and dealing with the muscles, and he has a connection and an explanation that I get, and that's important to me. I want to understand what is happening, and I want it to make sense. And he does that. He's by far the best chiropractor that I have seen.
How'd you feel after your treatments?
The treatments that you did on me not only alleviated the complaint that I had, but it also dealt with other issues that I didn't realize until you asked me about that I was experiencing. I think I, in particular, a lot of people experience pain day to day, or problems, or muscle aches and stuff, and we just learn to live with it. And when you pointed those things out to me and took care of what I was asking you to take care of, and then all the extra stuff on top of it, it was outstanding. And I walked away with a feeling of relief and feeling like I was ready to do more than what I was prepared to do for the rest of the day. So
You had mentioned to me that you felt like there was a definite connection on the paying attention to what I do in the treatment that I render to people. Can you help people understand when they're suffering out there with like neck pain, back pain, or headaches even, why it's important that they seek out a, for lack of better terms, qualified or a good chiropractor?
I think not all chiropractors are created equally. They just like any profession, any job, different people do different things, and your talent is important. I think chiropractors can learn how to do the manipulations, but your understanding and your talent of it is very important to me, because healers are healers are healers, and your abilities beyond being qualified, which you're highly qualified, but the talent, the sureness, and the ability to get things to work properly is crucial for me.
Well, thanks for letting me be of service to you and trusting in me for the work that I do.
It's my pleasure.